What's up guys, today we're going to be installing Starlight headliner on my BRZ, and I'm going to be showing you guys the entire process and how you can install it yourself in just a few easy steps. If you guys want the link to the product, it'll be down in the description. Headliner is now off. The inside of the car is looking wild. Airbags exposed, all the wiring harnesses that are on the headliner exposed. Yeah, the inside of the car is looking like a mess. I'm gonna start drilling some holes into the headliner. I bought this drill bit from Lowe's. This was the smallest size that I could find. After we drilled the holes in the headliner, we fed the fibers through so that they came out from the other side. It takes a while and can be tedious because we have to go through 450 holes, but having a few friends around to help makes it a lot easier. After all the wires were fed through, we started hot gluing the fiber strands to the headliner so that they didn't come loose. Just make sure you don't put too much glue because it can actually melt and damage the fibers. Just put a little dab of glue and it should do the trick. We have the main projector sitting at the front of the headliner and then the twinkle projector sitting at the back. The wire that came with the whole kit wasn't big enough, so I went ahead, spliced in my own wire. I extended the cable so now we can have one projector sitting at each end of the headliner. The main projector is going to sit here right in the front of the headliner, and then I'm going to be running the power wire through the A-pillar into the glove box. Originally, I was going to hardwire the Starlight headliner directly into the battery. That way I can leave the Starlight headliner on even though my car isn't in accessory mode or turned on at all. But then I figured, let's be honest, I'm probably going to forget to turn this off once in a while and it's going to end up draining my battery. So I'm just not going to hardwire directly into the battery. I don't really need this anymore, but if any of you guys wanted hardwire this directly into the battery, this is what I'd recommend getting. I'll leave a link to this down in the description. I am just connecting this directly into my cigarette lighter, which is right over there. I tucked the wire underneath the glove box, and now I'm just running up the wire alongside behind the panels. I'm gonna tuck this in a little bit more. I'm gonna take a flathead and push in the wire a little bit more so it never falls out, but I'm gonna have it running through the A-pillar right into right here. This is where it connects into the projector. All right, guys, so I finished up the headliner a little while ago, and I'm finally getting around to showing you guys the end result. Here it is, boys. Look at that. That looks so freaking good. It's super dark and we're on the iPhone cam, but there is one thing that I forgot to tell you guys. So sometimes when you do starlight headliner, wait, let's turn this off. Sometimes when you do starlight headliner, you'll be able to see in the headliner where you drilled each and every single hole. It looks kind of messy and it just doesn't look good. Kind of looks like this. In my opinion, that just doesn't look good. And if you notice on my headliner, you don't really see that. I found a little trick that works for me. Basically, you just get a stiff brush like this. You guys can see that this is pretty stiff, and you just kind of brush. I mean, that's really all you do. You kind of just brush the headliner around and it makes the headliner just look nice and OEM. So even when my starlight headliner isn't on, you don't see all those little holes that you would normally see. In my opinion, it makes this whole job look a lot cleaner. I am extremely happy with how the headliner came out. In my opinion, it came out as closest to perfect as I could possibly get it. The pink looks awesome, but I'm a fan of the white. There's just so many different colors to choose from, but I love this thing. If you guys are interested in doing this to your car, I definitely recommend it. I'm super happy with the end result. I hope this video helps some of you guys out. If and when you guys try it, good luck, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.